What's up, guys? It's Keith Trades. We're back for another video. Today's June 27th. We're going to go over our callouts from the Discord and then the trade setup that we took based off our callouts. Right, this week, market has been very slow, very inefficient. So what have I been focusing on? If you see the proof of fills, you see the trades, what do we focus on? One and done. We take one win, we beat the market, and we get off. We do not let the market take that money back. That's what you're focused on when you see slow and choppy action. But let's get right into the plan. So we have June 27th, right, news at 7 o'clock. So I'm waiting till 7. Right, today our long plan opinion, I said market took sells at after hours and is finding buying. I like to see the open deliver to 2028. Buy side, if we can just place through the 1 hour SIBI, we can see 2073 and 2086. I said I could see the market trade lower and then find the buying. But let's go right into the charts, right? Again, let's look at those targets that I'm looking at again. Right, the hour I'm looking at is right here, right? This hour fair value gap here, right? That's been respected. So my first area of interest is at 20,028, which is just this high. And I said if we can just place through, right, we would run what? The 2073 high here. And the last high I'm looking at, I've been looking at for a while, and it's this high here, 2086, to draw into the 1 hour fair value gap here, wick to wick, right? That is your narrative. We've tried multiple times, and now we find the buying. We respected discount, right, yesterday. Right, we respected discount nicely. Now's our time. When we find buying through, where are we going to hunt? The rebalance of the daily fair value gap. So that's what I'm looking at coming in today. Right, upon market open, right, we just rip straight to 2028. Right, as I said, as you can see here, 617, I said, I like to see open deliver, right? What I mean is the open, when market open, to deliver straight to it, right? Because we're already in the model. We already have a power of 3 here. Accumulation, right? Downside manipulation. And then on the higher time frames, we're respecting every fair value gap. Right? So if you go on the hour, coming in the day, right? Respect of a fair value gap, respect of an hour, respect, right? So I know that we're likely just going to deliver higher. And we just did that right off the open. And I said, right, if we find buying through this 1 hour, right, we're going to hunt what? These targets next. So we just smashed all of my long targets right off the open. So my trade setup, right? One trade setup for life. And this is my highest quality trade. It's called a buy model continuation. So we know we're already in a bullish model. As you can see, accumulation, downside manipulation, and we have what? A market structure shove to the upside, right? And now what am I looking for to market to a price to? After we deliver, we do not force the highs. We wait for market to what? Come back to discount. Very simple, right? Swing low to swing high of this range, right? We hit discount. And maybe even this low as well. Right, discount was met. And what am I looking at for my play point? Right, this 5-minute fair value up. So I know if we respect here, we're likely to run higher after market structure, after clear power of 3. Right, coming on the 1 minute, this 5 minute model again, very simple stuff. We came back into it, we started to respect, and we market structure shift through. Right, my original plan was an inverse entry, right, to target this high, and my stop was here. Right, but again, I understood slow action. Right, market has failed to deliver so many times this week. Right, I got in my long of this candle, and the next candle later we just shoot straight through it, and I captured 24 points. Right, and then I move my stop to break even, and the rest gets out break even. Right, in hindsight, that was unacceptable. My plan was already set, and now it's my time to detach. My entry was here, my stop was here, my price target was here. Right. I'm still growing. I'm still making mistakes with you guys. Right? Yes, it was a great setup. Yes, I caught 24 points in 1 minute, but that's not the point. The point is to have confidence in your model, to trust your edge, to let the market play out because we do not know what's going to happen next. Right? If I got long here, yes, I would have been in drawdown for 19 points, but we deliver for what? 43 points. Over 2 to 1. So yes, I captured 24 points, but let's say I got stopped out. That is a 1-to-1 risk to reward, right? We always capture 2 to 1. So I made a mistake. Totally fine. Yes, I could have probably got a re-entry grab here, right? Inverse close above entry to the target, but totally fine. That's the only trade I took. 24 points in 1 minute. Again, 20 points a day is all you need. Let's do the math, right? If you put in 1 micro, 24 times 2, 1 micro, what do you get? You get $48 back in 1 minute, right? You pay back our monthly Discord in one trade, pretty much. Ours is $49 a month, right? If you take a $500 investment, so 5 micros, what does that lend you, right? $240 profit in 1 minute, right? 1 mini is what? $20 a point. So what does that get you? $480 in 1 minute. That's the power of trading. That's the power of model. of our model, right? Again, let's review it. Higher time frame, we have a power of 3 coming in the day. Clear delivery. We've hit targets. We filled the daily imbalance. We've hit our narrative. So what do I wait for? Swing high to swing low of the range, right? Swing high to swing low of this range. We retraced at a discount. Respected the 5-minute fair value. We found an internal buy model. We broke structure to the upside. This placed through this bearish 1 minute. I get my inverse entry. My target was here. Didn't follow my plan. I scaled on the push here for 24 points. Hindsight, totally fine. But again, my stops here, price targets there, we stick to it. Right, there was one more trade that was acceptable that I would have taken that I saw. But again, I'm focused on one and done. Look at the market today. Look how inefficient, look how slow this shit is. Right, but there was a 5-minute trade that I'm going to go into right now. It's on the 5-minute time frame. What do? We hit objective to the daily SIBI, right? We would want to see buying through to hunt highs higher, but we never did. What do we have? External market structure, external buy side swept already into the daily. Internal swept here. And then we see what? Buyers fail to buy through, and we see a market structure shift through, right? Confirmed by what? Candle closure. And then we have a 5-minute fair value up entry short. Here. Very sniper entry, to be honest. Right, your stop would be up here for 30 points, or maybe here, 22 points. Price target 1 can be this swing low, or for my target wise, I will just opening range candle. I would target that opening low candle. Then PT2 would be here, never gets hit. Pretty close though. But that would be that 5-minute trade again. Respective of daily SIBI, external swept, internal swept, market structure shift, 5-minute fair value up entry short, targets, sell side lower. So in the 1 minute, that's what it looks like. And I forgot to run over my my calls for that entry, so I'll do that just right now, right? I said bye-bye, right? Targets hit. I said bullish news, I want a new high. This was at 7 a.m. when the news hit. I said see if I get an entry 1 minute later, right? So that was at 7 o'clock. I called the new high here. I said to see if I get my entry. 1 minute later, I get my entry point in this inverse. I said I want a new high, and then 15 minutes later, new high gets ran. So that's the call outs, right? One beautiful trade, all we need. Thank you guys for watching, right? Stay tuned for the Discord launch. We'll be preparing that very soon for you guys. And man, I'm excited. I'm excited to continue to prove to myself, continue to prove to you guys, and we'll kill it. And I promise you guys will find great value. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.